2019 was an amazing season for Triumph. I mean, coming into the championship fresh, our ambition was to make the racing more exciting, get the racing closer, use the power and the torque of that triple engine to really give the riders an opportunity to show what they can do, to create more overtakes, to be able to use the power to drift out of the corners. And I think we saw some amazing racing last year, some really close racing, probably some of the closest the championship has ever seen. We got 16 lap records out of 19 races. We saw the first ever 300 km/h top speed at Mugello. 300,000 kilometers we did on Triumph engines last year, over 60,000 laps without any mechanical problems. We achieved probably more than we expected last year, so it was an absolutely fabulous season for Triumph. We've taken the data and the knowledge that we've gained from that to make some significant improvements for this year, and a lot of that improvement has been around making sure that we can remove some of the restrictions or reduce the restrictions on the over rev. So what we've done is we've changed some of the tolerances on the materials, we've changed some of the manufacturing tolerances just to make sure that the engines are still durable, but it allows the riders a little bit more freedom in terms of how much rev they can use on the downshift. Straight out of the box in Jerez, we were 0.8 of a second inside the lap record. The test in Qatar, we're inside the lap record, and then again in the race, I think we were half a second inside of last year's lap record. Straight away, what we're seeing is the guys are using that additional performance out of the engine, but also they're using the knowledge that they gained from last year to really, push the limits again. And I think we'll see that at all of the circuits going forward. This year we've launched the Triumph Triple Trophy, an incentive from Triumph to recognise that it's not just all about the race win in terms of demonstrating the performance in Moto2. The championship is based on a point scoring system. So we have 7 points for the highest top speed. We've got 6 points for the pole position, and then we've got 5 points for the fastest lap during the race. There's a prize at the end of the season for the rider with the highest number of points, and we're going to give that prize as a Triumph Street Triple RS 765. This is a superb machine. Obviously the engine that the guys are using in Moto2 is based on the engine in this bike. Coming off the back of Qatar, we've got Ramirez and Schrotter actually in joint first place. So that just demonstrates it's not just purely about the race winner. The Triumph Triple Trophy is really going to bring a lot of other people into the limelight. Just to be able to get back racing again, it's so exciting for everybody at Triumph. I'm sure it's exciting for everybody else in the paddock. Just to hear the sound of those triple engines on the start line again going round, it's something that we've desperately missed, and something that we're really looking forward to starting again.